Hey folks, this is Colin with Skelton Business Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to scan to your Sharp Copier's hard drive and then share it out on the network so you can access those scans. The first thing you want to do is pull up the web page of the copier by typing the IP address into an address bar. Then click the login button. The password by default is admin, A-D-M-I-N. Once you've logged in, click System Settings. Then click Network Settings. And on the Quick Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that the NAS is allowed on all three of these. It's enabled by default here, so we can move on to the next step, which is back to System Settings, Security Settings, and then click Port Control. And scroll down a bit, and you want to enable this NBT/wins. And once you enable that, click Submit, and the machine will need to reboot, so we'll go ahead and do that. Give it a minute here. I'm just going to ping this so I can see when it comes back online. Alright, so it's back online. Now what you want to do next is hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press R to open the run command. And then you want to type / the IP address of your machine / shared. Now the first time you do this on each workstation, it's going to ask you for permission to open that folder. Takes a second. Alright, and then you put admin for the username and admin for the password. And you want to check the Remember My Credentials box. Now it'll open this folder up. And you can create a scans folder inside here for all of your users. That's really all you need to do. And here, if you want, you can open this and make a folder for each user. You know, whatever you want to do here is fine. Alright, so let's say I want to make a folder for Bruce Wayne. I can copy this folder path here and then go back to the web page, click Address Book, scroll down, click Add. Put the person's name here. Initial, you can put B if you'd like. Scroll down a bit, click the Network Folder tab. Then you want to paste that folder path that you copied. And again, the username is admin and the password is admin. And you can change all your settings here if you'd like, your preferences, and then click Submit. And so now when you go to the copier's touchscreen, you'll see that it has, when you go to the scan mode, it'll have that button there for you to scan into that folder. Now this is handy because you can also browse to these folders from a Mac. There's really no other way to scan to a folder from a Mac computer anymore other than this. FTP used to be enabled, but it's not anymore. So I'll show you with some screenshots how to browse to these folders from a Mac as well. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Thank you.